Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So one of my friend on Facebook, she requested me to do a nude makeup look, full face. So I just finally did this look. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep watching. So first thing I always do is to prime my eye, and I'm using Ulta Beauty Tinted Eye Primer in the shade Peach Glow. Then next, for my eyeshadow, I only used one shade, which is the Bon Fresco from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then I'm just going to apply this all over my eye. As you notice guys, that I usually do my eyeshadow first before the foundation because I'm avoiding the fallouts because I don't want to mess up the foundation. And for this, I'm just gonna keep blending back and forth. Now I'm just going in with this big fluffy brush from Bdellium Tools, and I'm just making sure everything is well blended. Then next, for my eyeliner, I'm using W7 liquid eyeliner. So now I'm taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. By the way guys, before you apply the foundation, you want to make sure to apply the face primer first before the foundation so that the foundation will last all day. So for my foundation, I'm using the Your Skin Forever in the shade 030. To blend the foundation, you can use either the brush or the beauty blender, but I'm used to use the brush guys. And don't forget to apply a foundation on your neck as well. Then next, I'm taking the Your Skin Nude Concealer in the shade Ivory. Then I'm just going to apply this on my chin, Cupid's bow, top of my nose, underneath my eye, and then the center of my face. To blend the concealer, I'm just using the Beauty Blender. Next, I'm taking the Cootie Airspun Loose Powder. Then next, I'm taking the Nude shade and I'm just going to apply this on my lower waterline. To wipe the powder, I'm using the brush from Bdellium Tools. For contour, I'm using this shade right here, Dandelion from Benefit Chic Parade. To blend the contour, I'm using the Bdellium Tools brush. So now let's move on to the blush, and I'm taking this shade right here from e.l.f. Then next, I'm taking this Huda Beauty Lip Contour and the shade Bombshell. For my lipstick, I'm using the NYX Lingerie and the shade Lepli. Then next, I'm grabbing this black eyeliner from Wet n Wild. And I'm just going to apply this right into my upper and lower waterline. Then next, I'm taking this Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. So now it's time for the lashes, and for my lashes, I got this from Shane.com. Then next, I'm taking the Becca highlighter, and I'm just going to apply this on my Cupid's bow, top of my nose, and then the high point of my cheekbone. Then the last but not least, I'm just applying the highlight right into my inner eye. So here's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell and then the subscribe button to see more of me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!